Our story commences in the brief but vibrant summer of Siberia, a land of expansive tundra and tranquil wetlands. Here, amidst the midnight sun, the common cranes nurture their young, preparing them for the trials ahead. As the first whispers of autumn paint the Siberian landscape in rich hues, an ancient migratory instinct awakens. Gathering in ever larger assemblies, these majestic birds prepare to embark on a transcontinental voyage spanning thousands of miles. Forming their characteristic aerial ballet, the iconic V formation against the vast sky, they lift off, leaving behind the encroaching chill of the north. Their southward trajectory carries them over the formidable Ural Mountains and across the sweeping steppes of Central Asia, a testament to their remarkable endurance against the elements. This arduous flight is not merely travel, it is a vital quest for survival, a pursuit of warmth and sustenance in distant lands. Finally, after navigating the imposing barrier of the Hima, with graceful wing beats, the Kunj traverses the diverse tapestry of the Indian subcontinent. They soar above the fertile plains of Sindh, where the life-giving Indus River meanders through the ancient land. Imagine the vista from their vantage point as they glide over historical sites, silent witnesses to the ebb and flow of civilizations. Their resonant calls echo across the serene wetlands of Sindh, a sound that resonates deeply with the local communities. Briefly touching down in harvested fields, they seek respite and nourishment before continuing their passage. Their journey carries them over the bustling urban landscapes of India, a stark contrast to the solitude of their breeding grounds. They paint elegant silhouettes against the tranquil lakes of Rajasthan and navigate the hazy skies of the subcontinent with unwavering determination. Their flight path weaves through agricultural heartlands and past distant, iconic landmarks, forging an invisible link between the natural world. In the warmer embrace of South India, the Kunj finds a temporary sanctuary. They wade with elegant precision through shallow wetlands, their long, slender beaks probing for sustenance amongst the aquatic vegetation. Here, they engage in intricate social dances, a captivating display of their inherent grace and connection. During the heat of the day, they seek the cool shade of trees near life-giving water sources, their calls blending harmoniously with the chorus of the local fauna. These wintering grounds offer a vital period of rest and replenishment, a time to gather strength for the arduous journey that lies ahead. They share these rich habitats with a myriad of other migratory waterbirds, creating a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem. In this temporary home, a peaceful rhythm of life unfolds, feeding, preening, and interacting, a sense of calm prevailing in their southern sojourn. As the subtle signs of spring awaken their southern abode, an ancient yearning stirs within the Kunj, a powerful call to return to their northern breeding grounds. Gathering once more in larger numbers, their calls now resonate with anticipation, a prelude to the next chapter of their epic migration. Pair bonds are renewed and strengthened, an essential connection for the demanding journey ahead. With a collective surge of energy, they lift off from their winter sanctuary, their wings pointed northward. Retracing their path across the awakening landscapes of India, they navigate with an innate sense of direction. Familiar stopover points offer brief moments of respite. As they cross the vast steppes of Central Asia, the air grows crisper, a tangible reminder of their ultimate destination. Finally, they arrive in Siberia, greeted by the thawing embrace of their summer home. Reunited with their territories and their kin, the cyclical journey is complete. This poignant return to their